Now, commuters were left stranded in sections of Clarendon, St. Catherine and St. Anne on Friday as flooding and rockfalls affected major roadways. Romar Lyons has details.
The end to the work week was met by frustration for many people in Clarendon as rainfall rendered roadways impassable, leaving many to reconsider plans. Motorists traveling from Spalding to Cave Valley were forced to brave flood waters or make a safer decision, diversions. Friday afternoon, Delroy Dawson, councillor for the Aenon Town Division, said many people were unable to get home.
Even myself is out of the community. I left for James Hill, and then I was called that I must stay wherever I was because I cannot come in at the moment. So I just stay put until I know the water is down because I will not challenge that water because I know it's very dangerous when that water on the main road.
Mr. Dawson said all alternative routes were blocked.
It is in a very bad state where the rivers exceed the banks. And what is happening there now is that the road from Spalding to Cave Valley is impossible. Fever Gully Corner is blocked. The square at Aenon Town, below the square at Aenon Town, it is blocked. The main road from the supermarket to the New Testament church is blocked. And around the corner from the bridge is also blocked going to Cave Valley. So there is no vehicular traffic can traverse from Spalding to Cave Valley at the moment.
Up until 5:30 p.m., Mr. Dawson also said there were reports that the river was still rising due to consistent rainfall in the parish. Should the rain continue over the weekend, he says it could be devastating.
One of the things that contributed was that most of the main drains, the NWA drains, were not clean. The river did not clean for a long while. I have done a few days work there, but it was not enough to mitigate against this amount of water. We have been rainfall for the last 3 weeks, and the river has passed 2 days ago yesterday, and today I know that once the rain continue, we're going to have some severe flooding. And if the rain continue over the weekend, then I know that we are going to be in serious problems.
Now, early in the afternoon, heavy rainfall was also reported in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, with no major flooding reported. And over in St. Catherine, the police advised the public that the Bogwalk Gorge was impassable amid the inclement weather. The police say that fallen boulders and rising water levels were to blame. Romar Lyons, TVJ News.